Hello. This video will explain who is likely to be at the hearing. A clerk. This person works at Social Care Wales and will be your main point of contact before, during and after a hearing. The clerk's role is to make sure the hearing runs smoothly. You may have had emails or letters from them about the hearing. They will be the first person you see when you log into the Zoom hearing. A legal advisor. They are a solicitor and their role will be to give advice to the panel on the rules and other matters of law. They will be with the panel when they need to talk about the case in private. There will be 3 panel members, 1 chairperson, 1 lay member and 1 social care member. The chair leads the hearing and the panel's private discussions. When decisions are given in the hearing, the chair will read out the decision and the panel's reasons. The chair is always a lay member. A lay member has no professional background in social care, but they may be a user of care and support. A social care member has experience and a professional background in social care, and they may be registered with us. They will help the 2 lay members understand social care references and procedures mentioned in the hearing which are likely to be unfamiliar to them, and they'll be able to ask specific social care related questions to help the panel understand the evidence and come to a decision. A presenter for Social Care Wales. They are a solicitor who will present the case to the panel on behalf of Social Care Wales. You may have had emails and letters from them and maybe spoken to them on the phone while the investigation was underway. Fitness to Practice Officer. This person works at Social Care Wales and carried out the investigation. You may have had emails and letters from them and maybe spoken to them on the phone while the investigation was underway. There may also be a medical advisor if there is medical evidence. They give advice to the panel and help them understand medical terms referred to in the evidence. If it's a public hearing, there may be members of the public observing the hearing, including sometimes someone from the press. The clerk will tell you if there's anybody from the press there. When the hearing is ready to start, the chair will ask the clerk to close the breakout rooms and a message will pop up on your screen to let you know you have 60 seconds before the room closes. You can either leave the room at that point by clicking on the message or do nothing and wait for the room to automatically close. When the breakout rooms close, as everyone who is at the hearing leaves their breakout rooms, you will see their faces appear on the screen. Every person at the hearing should have their names and titles such as chair or clerk on their screen. The chair will also ask everyone taking part to introduce themselves at the start of the hearing. Members of the public, however, don't have to have their names showing and they will not be asked to introduce themselves. The chair will start the hearing when everyone has left their breakout room and have appeared in the main meeting room. For more information about what happens in the hearing, please see our website. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.